Good afternoon, everybody. It's your boy Lando Success. What's up? Gonna be here for a quick time, not a long time. Eat me some carrots. Feeling good, feeling great. How you guys morning is doing? Oh, I can talk about this. Mm, 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 mm. So, I have no agenda, no game plan with this one. We just gonna talk about a few things. I just emailed myself something that I want to share with you guys. Let me make sure my screen share is working. Yep, that's working good. And let's move this over here. All right. So I just received this email. And to be honest, Robinhood actually, even though y'all know I'm not a Robinhood fan, don't fully like the company, I believe Robinhood is a great investing opportunity right now, such as being able to still be able to make money, such as buying low, selling high. They've been getting a lot more good cryptos over to their exchange. That's going to attract more crypto people. A guy came into my house yesterday to install ADT at the new house, and he was like, "Yeah, what you doing? I'm a YouTuber. What you talk about? Talk about finance, crypto, and hustle and stuff." And he like, "Oh man, let me show you the crypto I got." And he pulled up Robinhood. I'm like, "Bro, who still got Robinhood?" But I guess a lot of people still have it, man. Let me know if you still use Robinhood. So I received this email this morning. It said, "You will now earn more interest on your uninvested brokerage cash. Hi Orlando, starting today, you will earn more interest on your uninvested cash in your broker account. We increased the interest rate APY on your broker's cash sweep from 1% to 1.5. This means you will earn 11 times more in interest per year through brokerage cash sweep when compared to traditional bank savings accounts." What does this mean? In general, it's good news. You can expect higher interest payments on investment cash. The average at banks is terrible. There's no action required. So, this is a very smart move, right? Reason being, when you have your money sitting in Bank of America, you are earning 0.001. Your money not doing flips, your money not doing nothing. And our next thing was, okay, let's put our money in staking. Let's put our money in a high yield crypto account. Let's put in a stable coin. And we realized all of this stuff is not as stable as we thought. Look at Anchor Protocol when everything happened with Terra Luna. Everything went down. So I believe this is a great move to, if you got money sitting, waiting to invest, you still getting a percentage back. Let me know what y'all thoughts on that. I honestly do like it. Let's check out Robinhood stock price real quick, because I haven't checked out their price in a good second. Haven't checked them out. Hood look like it's down today. Drew was a little bit up, so it's right about $10 a share. And if you look at very low trading volume, but even if you go back to like the last month, let me see over here. The last month they're actually up, because you was able to get in low as close to $8. So it's not doing too bad, but this might be a good swing trade type of stock to buy. Let me know what's y'all thoughts. Shout out to everybody that just came in here. What's going on? We got Mother Loving Yoder in here. Great video to Alex Becker. I had watched it this morning. Yeah, so I did that late, because I'm like, man, I know a lot of people sleep, but when they wake up, they'll be able to see this, because Alex Becker is a guy I follow because he have a lot of subscribers and he's very outlandish on his prediction. He's a guy that's going to do a video a month and do crazy type of predictions. A lot of cussing. Not my cup of tea. I never watched one of his videos all the way through, but I still try to learn from successful YouTubers on what they're doing, what actually work. And he did a video, said selling everything. He like, yo, this is not clickbait. I'm selling my crypto, selling my stocks. And the reason I'm selling is I believe that the NASDAQ, the stock market, and crypto is at its top right now. I'm selling. It's about to crash back down. And I'm about to take that money and reinvest it back into the market. But I'm going to use smaller altcoins, less money, more value. You know, that deal. So I did a reaction to it. If you guys haven't watched that, go watch that. It's a good video because I agree with a lot of what he was saying. Because I said the same thing like 3 days prior. Exactly what he said. I said it just in different words. Where it's like, yo, we about to go on a rally. I like this rally. Well, we about to go on a rally, but I don't like this rally because X, Y, and Z. Price could go down. Now, for everybody that's new in here, make sure you hit that like button. We always need likes at 50%. So if we got 10 people in here, we need 5 likes. We got 100 people in here, we need 50. Once we get 1 million people in here, we're going to need 500,000 likes. So let's get the likes up. Admins, if you're in here, you know we got to get the likes up. If not, I'm going to show my ass, literally. And I'm not monetizing this video. I try not to monetize lives on you guys on here so I don't make any money. But once I'm done, I monetize it to the people that come later. So you guys don't have to watch no ads. So that should be a like right there. They're still adding new crypto on there. Yeah, they adding stuff all the time. Crypto Gamer, what's going on, dog? I started on Robinhood 2019 before I knew about wallets. Sean, what's good? What's good, brother? I hope all is well. I buy, sort of, kind of. Sometimes I trade crypto when I see opportunities. Mainly, you like to trade crypto with buy and sell limit orders. Like I was saying yesterday in that video I broke down with my Ethereum. I did, let me see if I can go to my Patreon. Let's see. Wrong one. Let me see. Hold on. Figure out what is my Patreon email. Patreon. Because I want to show y'all the type of mindset you want to have. There we go. Verify the email. That's the only thing you got to do. All of these login attempts. Was this you? Yes, it's me, Patreon. Let a player in. I'm still waiting to get in. And the reason I'm showing y'all this. All right, I think I'm in. All right, I believe I'm in. Creator, stop that. Patreon, okay, I'm creator. Guess since I got like a creator account and a regular account, and I usually do this stuff from my phone. Okay, so I posted this the other day where actually, all right, so let's go down to the original post. So what I'm looking for is an Ethereum post that I did. Shout out to my new home. My Patreon members, I'm going to do a full tour of my home to the Patreon. Everybody in public can't see it, but the Patreon members get to see it. I'm going to probably do that today or soon. I'm about to show y'all when I do some daily trading, what type of mindset I usually have when I do it. That's my realtor calling me. I'm doing a live. Is it important? All right, for sure. Yeah. Shout out to my realtor. Where is? Well, I'm going to have to find it. Okay, long story short, because I got to find it. Long story short is in our Patreon, we put in a sale order, right? And I just giving people example. I'm like, look, we're going to sell ETH at $1,840. That's our target price. Because we know it's going to probably hit 1900, but since it might tease us, let's just go a little bit under 1900 and 1840. And we just did like just small amount. And this is just giving people an example of how to do it when you're actually trading a full ETH, right? So if you go and look at CoinMarketCap and you go to Ethereum, we did that back in we did it back here. So we like, okay, it's going down. We about to buy the dip. I forget which dip we bought. But we were like, okay, this gonna hit 1900 again. It's gonna do it. So we bought the dip type of deal. We want to sell when it hit that 1900. We had to wait this whole time period. And I forget about the sale order. And boom, that boy triggered right here. And you see it's back. So it's still over that price, but still you want to do stuff like that. So when I do trade, I would do buy and sell trade orders. Something simple is Paul Barron, Alex Becker, and one more. Yeah, I'm not hip to any of them. When's the Tesla stock split? I think they just voted on it. Let's see, Tesla stock split. I think they just voted on it. So it's saying August 24th. So the price will be adjusted on the 25th. And somebody tell me what day is the 25th. Let me know in the comments what day is that. So right now, if we look at Tesla price, we at $885. So we're still under 900. And you're going to still, it's going to be a 3-to-1 split. So you're going to still, the share is still going to kind of be expensive, like $300 a share, $350 depending on where it go. But we will see. Tesla doing non-stop trading right now. How much Tesla stock does Elon Musk own after the latest sale? That's a great one. That's a great thing. On Tuesday, it was revealed that Tesla CEO Elon Musk sold millions of shares of the electric vehicle company he heads. Here's a look at how many shares Tesla must own after the sale and how much they are worth. What happened? And the new SEC filings revealed that Musk sold 7.92 million shares. That's crazy. Over 6 billion. The transaction took place on August 5th, 8th, and 9th. Cross total 55 sales. The sales by Musk followed transactions to sell shares in November 2021. April 2022, and he just recently sold, so that's crazy. It's not a good look for the company, and hopefully everybody called me. I'm doing a live right now. I'll call you in a minute. Yeah. Let's see. What's next? After the recent transactions, must own 155,000 like Jesus. We just gonna say 155,000 shares in Tesla. Jeez. That's wild. That's still a lot. The stake represents 14.9% of Tesla, 1 billion shares. So if he's still now in this a million actually, because this hundreds, thousands, million, 155 million. So if he just only sold 8 million, he still got 155 million left. Think of that, 155 million shares left. So he's okay. He is doing okay. This was an interesting one I was going to do on TikTok. So I can ask you guys live, and I'm going to still do a TikTok. And let me send it to my computer so we can do this together. So I didn't read the article yet because I wanted to do it live and give my thoughts. And an article, let me share the screen. Why is it not going? My computer is not picking up anything today. See if I can email it to myself. The article say how much. It said Elon Musk sold nearly $7 billion worth of stock. Here's how much money you will have if you invested $1,000 in a company 10 years ago. So my question is, if you invested $1,000 in Tesla stock 10 years ago, how much money would you have? That's what we're going to put all your guesses in. My guess, 10 years ago, without looking at the company, to seeing the shares, I know it went up so much. I'm going to say 79,000. I'm going high. I feel like that's way too high, but I'm going to go 79,000 because if they do an article, it have to be an interesting number. Do we have any guesses on how much you guys think it is? Let me know in the comments before I share it. So, Elon Musk nearly sold $7 billion of Tesla stock. Here's how much money you will have if you invested $1,000 in the company 10 years ago. All right. Okay. As of August 9th, Tesla shares was valued about $850 each at the closing. At the close of trading. That price has fallen a little over 9% since then, and the share is okay. As for shareholders, how fair will long term? I'm trying not to show you guys. As for how shareholders will fare long term, if you had invested $1,000 in Tesla 1 year ago, your investment would be up 23%. So that's cool, right? So you would basically be up $1,230. That's 23%. If you had invested $1,000 5 years ago, your investment would be $12,000, around $12,000 5 years ago. I think I'm going to be close. I think I'm going to be right. What I say, 79,000. Wow. Just $1,000, y'all. This is power investing. And if you invested $1,000 August 11th of 2012, your given amount, Jesus Christ, would be over $145,000 fucking dollars, dog. What? $145,000. This is crazy. This is crazy. Like, yo, this is wild. Jeez. That's the power of investing. $145,000. If you invested $1,000, it makes you start thinking of some of these companies, right? And actually, let's look into Tesla. Let me get in my bag a little bit because that got me excited, right? So if we pull up Tesla and we look at Tesla history, we're going 10 years, yo. 10 years to date. Now, Tesla was at $6 a share. $6 a share. Now, it was actually kind of less because they did so many splits, but we're just going to say $6 a share, right? Because it's right here. Imagine how many times people would have sold. Okay, you had it August 2012. Okay, you're going to wait 1 year. Let's go August 2013. You basically 12, 21, you almost 3 extra money. We just going to say you 3 extra money. So if you had $1,000 in there and a year you made $3,000, some people just going to sell like, hey, this is me early investing Lando. I'm selling right here. I made money. It's like, all right, I don't know about this EV stuff. I thought it was going to go to the moon. When I invested in it, it didn't go to the moon. So if we go another year, another one. We had 53. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to go back and look and be like, y'all, I missed out on a big bag from selling my Tesla stock, because my 3,000 would have went to 6,000. Bitch, Lando, let's go ahead and invest in again. Invest in again. Let's go another year. And I'm like, man, I put a big bag in and I lost money this time. Man, this investment stuff sucks. I'm over this. Screw you guys. I'm going home. Let's go another year. Didn't go nowhere. Now I'm like, I'm doing YouTube's. Told you guys. Everybody that said Tesla was going to the moon, I told you guys, it's dumb. Should have listened to Lando, because I know everything. That's what, the YouTubers be saying. Now you go to this one. It's like, okay, that's a jump, but I made more money elsewhere. It's like, that's cute. Once we get to 2018, you like, all right, cool. 61, and you know the story from here, from $6 all the way up to well over $1,200, which it poses. Tesla stock would probably be at like $6,000 a share if they didn't split it so many times. But it looks like Tesla is starting to turn into a regular company, because you got to think, from $100, Tesla was $96, right? One share in 2020. That's 2 years ago, technically. This is unheard of right here. But it looks like it's starting to level out, because if you look at this price in February, the price haven't went nowhere. You haven't made no money, barely, if you've been investing that long. But the main purpose of that is to show you the power of investing and literally sticking with it, dog. That's why now you hear educated Lando. I say we do 5-year investments. We do 10-year. I got the Warren Buffett philosophy. If you don't believe this company will be here 20 years from now, do not invest in it. Main companies you need to be investing in is companies that you feel will be here for the long haul. And Tesla's not going nowhere. And every time I thought it was going to stop going up, it kept on going up. Another one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about that. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. What's up to everybody else that's in the mother-loving building? How was the fast? Dog, man. I'm so excited because I hopped on a scale this morning and I'm 189. So I am down 9 pounds in a little over a week. So I feel great. And the best thing, like when you are doing, this some game. When you are doing a fast, people, or I would say whenever you are trying to lose weight, people that's watching, the best thing you can do is compliment them. Like my mom, literally, I ran into her at the store at 7-Eleven the other day, and she looked at me, and we talked back and forth, and later that day, she texted me. She was like, you look different. What you been doing? And I'm like, yo, I've been fasting, so she was able to see it. So usually, like when somebody working out hard, and you like, man, you looking good. Look like you've been losing some weight. That gives people that extra motivation to keep on going and stuff. But overall, it's going great. I haven't been going just fruits and veggies. I been trying to aim at 1 meal a day, but since I've been so active moving to the new house, like yesterday I did 2 meals, but I didn't do no crazy snacks. See, I got some carrot juice right here. I'm on some crazy stuff, carrot juice, and I got some damn carrots right here. I'm gonna be orange. I keep on doing that, but I'm probably about to get like some other stuff. So yeah, it's going great. Those Spotify credit backs on Crow is nice. Oh, that's good. George, what's going on, George? NASDAQ and S&P look like they are breaking higher on the 4 time frame to finish this week. Crypto is likely to follow. Yeah, that's what it's looked like. Because a lot of people expect it's going to be a red day today. Guys, I would suggest 24-hour low with the current price in ATL. Buying crypto should be either 30-day volume circulation supply. What's your opinion on L-Round coin? I never checked them out before. I will have to see what they're talking about. Dark Knight had 100K, so you was closer. It's up 15,000% since 22. 10K would be over 1.5 million. That's freaking insane. Got off Coinbase and started Binance. I think Binance way better. Coinbase, yeah, Coinbase have the exposure and stuff, but Binance is probably overall better. Let's see the crypto market. See how the market is doing. Hit that like button for everybody that's in here. We are in the red. Over the last day, Bitcoin over 24,000. Ethereum trying to hit that 2K. Look at that. 7-day moving percentage is up 13% on ETH because ETH testnet. I heard it was successful. I heard it was okay, but the price is showing it's doing great. So really, Ethereum is moving the market. Everybody is following their lead. You have Cardano down. Who is in the green? Let's see. Who is in the green outside of Ethereum? Let's do that. And the last day, Flow. Got to check out Flow. Algorand. So no company. Aave. No companies are really dominating today. It's a weird day in crypto. You don't have nothing really popping off. Chill day. Chill day. Oh, news. Sheep worth 150 million settled in 1,000 biggest ETH whale pockets. Whale still ban ETH. Still ban Shiba, huh? Sandbox price up 76% since June, courtesy of the metaverse hype. So, yes, metaverse. It is a hype because it's like a coming soon. So just off the hype alone, people are going to continue to try to get in. MTV extend metaverse. Everybody want to get in on the metaverse. I did a sponsor video with a company called NextSurf. It's amazing freaking concept. Actually got to add them to my description, so you guys can go watch the video. NextSurf is dope because it's like buying land in whatever location. Let's see. Let's do Brazil. What's the Jesus statue called? Christ Redeemed. Okay, so we going to Brazil. Shout out to NextSurf. They did great business. We handled everything smooth, simple. So I would love to do business with them. They're great. So here go. They look like people already done bought it up. Is that the statue? I don't know how. But I'm assuming the statue is right there. Somebody, current owner, he bought this land space for $5.04. That's funny. So people just bought all type of land, just around it. It's funny, people. Let me get this section. And they got it where you can do it with Matic. So it's a great concept. Like I like, let me see, Detroit Lions. See if we can go to, they take me to the wrong place. Ford Field, downtown Detroit. Tried to bet Ford Field, but somebody already had it. This is where the Tigers play at. So it's a great concept. I think the metaverse is a high risk, high reward type of industry because 99% of them won't last. So it's interesting. Uplands and Atlas Earth does the same thing. Yeah, because they really mirrored one of those companies the CEO talked about because he like, I love the concept. Basically it's just like, okay, I love the concept. Let me just take it to the next level and do some things that I would love to do on my end. So, I respect the honesty, because people will say that. Now, if you guys haven't did it already, make sure you sign up with Moomoo. Get you some free stocks. I need to go move around, get some more food in my system so I won't get lightheaded. ApeCoin, all that stuff. But I will probably chop this up, do some videos. Gotta go to the new house. Gotta go make some money. Gotta get some things done for the weekend. I'm Lando Suss. I will talk to you beautiful people soon. If y'all want a certain type of video, just let a player know what you want me to talk about, and I will be a man for the people.